So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I installed this frontal with easy steps. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. Hi guys, I'm Black. Welcome to my channel. My name is Louis Iwefo. If this is your first time here on my channel, hello there, welcome to my channel. So here on my channel, I create hair content, lifestyle content, and vlogs. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friend, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for all the love and support. So guys, let's dive right into it. So I'm using my got2b spray to lay down the edges. So up next, I'm going to get my hand dryer and then use it in cold air to lay down flat. So I'll be using a wipe to clean her skin, and then I'm going to get my skin protectant spray and then use it on that part, and then allow it to like sit in for a while before I get my glue and then apply it. So when I'm applying my glue, I like to do like very tiny applications because it helps to clear fast and also hold stronger.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's a word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
So you guys, when I tell you to allow it clear before you put the lace, this is what I mean. You guys can see it's clear, and then when I apply the lace on the skin where I have the glue, it's going to sit down properly. So also, if you want to see how I color the root of this hair, I'm going to leave a video up there so you guys can go watch it and see how to color the roots of her hair without leaving any stain on the lace.
Trouble in your mind. Are you doing this just to test me? I'm mad at handling this type of thing.
So once I put the lace, and I'm going to try and make sure no strands are sitting on the face before or on the skin before I tie it down. So I like to do like a first tying so it can hold, so it can stick to the glue, and then I'm going to carefully take it out and then do some adjustments and some fillings with my adhesive, and then I'm going to then get the melt spray and my got to be, and then do the needful.
Trouble in your mind, babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be, I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before. Trouble in your mind. Are you doing this just to test me? I'm mad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be alright. I just wanna make your heart sing. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting
So you guys, we had to curl the hair off camera because she had to go do her makeup. So if you want to see how to curl a hair, I have a detailed video on how to curl a hair, which I'm going to leave up there so you guys can go watch it.
I'll do, I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place.
So you guys, we're done, and this is what we look like. So I don't know if you can see the flyaways on the hair. So in order to like control it, I'm going to get my wax stick and then use it on the hair. So when I'm using it, I don't press too much because I don't want it too much on the hair. So it's going to like help to iron the flyaways into the hair. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you don't want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.